Welcome everyone to Van Life Sheldon's Travel. Good morning everybody, I'm Mike.
I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon is our little yellow belly slider turtle. He's in the van just hanging out. But today we're right outside the Q Casino, right outside of Algodones, Mexico. And we're going to be heading out of here. We spent the last couple days here and it worked. The food inside was really good and the temperature is amazing. But we're actually going to head on over to the Hopeville Hot Springs and we're going to bring you guys with us.
After we left the Q Casino, we headed west on I-8. There's the casino and hotel we stayed at. As we head into California, we pass through the Agricultural Inspection Station.
Hello.
Bring any fresh fruit?
No thing.
Thank you.
There's an RV dump station there at the Chevron.
Keep right.
We decided we would stop right here at this Chevron and fill up our water and dump our tanks. I'm not sure if we need gas, but if we need gas, we'll be filling that up too.
Continue for 33 miles. In 600 feet, sharp left onto the I-8 East ramp to Yuma. Sharp left onto the I-8 East ramp, then merge onto I-8 East.
Well, we're going to fill up everything, get back on the road.
In 800 feet, turn right towards Sidewalk.
So here on the West Coast, you do see a lot of these salt-free drinking water. And prices do usually range, but it's usually cheap, like 25 cents for 1 gallon, $1 for 5 gallons. You see, you just take this hose that they provide you, and then you just bring it over to your jug, and you fill it like a basic water hose. So they make it super simple for you, which is nice. And like I said, we've seen these on the West Coast. They're not so common on the East Coast.
They're more glacier machines on the East Coast. Without the hose. I like the hose.
Yes.
So we're going to dump our tanks. Trying to decide if we need propane or not. We'll get everything filled up. We'll get back on the road.
See? Just put your money and where it says hose and the arrow right next to that slot. If you have a problem, I guess it comes out down below, but no problem. I accepted our coins. They do have an RV at this Chevron, an RV dump. The dump is charged about how long your vehicle is. If your vehicle is 19 feet and under, it's a $10 minimum, and it goes up from there.
Well, right here at this Chevron, we met up with somebody we know. Want to introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm Paul from Nomadic RV.
So
it was really nice to run into these two.
So we've actually watched some of his stuff.
Same here. I've been on your live chat.
Right.
It's really nice to
meet
finally
somebody,
meet somebody
that you actually watch.
And he actually travels in an RV. So if you do watch our channel and travel in an RV, maybe you could go to his channel and ask him some questions and stuff.
Some of the things that we don't know. So there you go.
Fantastic.
It's always nice meeting people on the road.
Yep.
And I'm sure we'll see you down the road again sometime.
Safe travels.
Bye.
Look how, okay, see how the sky is blue and the clouds are white? Now look over here.
Look how dusty it is.
Look at that.
Guys, I don't think we're going to be staying here too long. We're going to hit the Walmart. We're going to go back to Hopeville Hot Springs.
It's just like a wall of
Dust. So we're going to go back, but if it stays like this for a couple of days, we're going to figure out where it's not like this, and that's where we're going to head.
I don't know if you could tell, but those trees are just swaying.
You can see it right here on the ground coming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's just... That's what happens when you're out here in the desert. You just got sand flying
Look at this.
everywhere.
Look straight.
Okay.
Look at that.
I guess somebody lost some roses.
Oh, wow.
Oh, somebody done. Oh, look at that Christmas tree. It's all flapped over in the wind. Well, we were headed to the hot springs, but we want to stop here and get some things before we headed back. And
Wow.
this is the first time we experienced this. Even being at the RTR last year and being in Quartzsite and doing the van build in Parker, Arizona, this is
Probably the worst.
yeah. It's just you could tell that it's kind of gray. All that gray is sand in the air. The wind is just whipping the sand around. Alright, well, we'll get back at you.
Well, right here at the Walmart, we're getting a few things. And we'll get on down the road. We're heading to the Hopeville Hot Springs. Good deal. Well, we'll get parked and we'll get back at you. Well, guys, we actually got parked and we actually went down to the hot springs and got in for just a little bit. But we're just gonna hang out here, probably make some food, and just relax after doing errands all day and making our way here to the Hopeville Hot Springs. We're staying on BLM land. There's LTVA next to the hot springs. The parking lot there is day use only and it's closed overnight, along with the hot springs. And they do have bathrooms there, but
Trash.
and some trash.
It's
bins.
open from 5 a.m. to midnight.
Okay, so, but we're right behind that on the BLM, and I say we're about 10 minutes away by vehicle back in the dirt roads here. But we're going to show you guys the Hopeville Hot Springs tomorrow, and during the daylight when you can actually see it and enjoy it. Also, I want to talk about the tire. I'm going to do a whole video, guys, about comments, answering the comments about the tire, and kind of explaining a little bit more of what really happened. And I think Walmart's going to make right on this. Actually, they contacted me through the video. Walmart on YouTube actually commented, so that's good. I have faith that it's going to get taken care of. I just don't know how long. But I'm going to make a video answering all those comments, and thank you for all your concerns. We do need a spare, and I'm finding out that's a couple $100. So that might be something that we're going to have to invest in, because it's not only the spare, but it's the mount that goes underneath the van. And I thought that was about $500, but I guess you can get one for about $200. So that might be something we just have to invest in. Honestly, I don't know if I even trust their balancing. So, but now I can't take it to the Ram dealership with the other tire being different. I know, guys, you guys think this and that, but there's all these other circumstances, and I'm going to address them, like I said, in its own video. But we're here safe at the Hopeville Hot Springs, and we're going to stay here for a couple of days, and then we'll be moving on to Slab City, and we'll be bringing you guys with us. So we want to thank each and every one of you. We want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. Yes. I mean, we're almost to 5,000, guys. So
yeah, very exciting.
Very, very exciting. And we just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Of course, we couldn't do it without you guys.
No, you are what makes Van Life Sheldon's Travels. And I know a lot of you have new subscribers. Please go back and watch a lot of our old stuff. We've been on the road now for 3 years. So, but we'll talk at you in the next one. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on Patreon if you're into that, for as low as $1 a month. We also have stickers, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And we'll explain a little bit more about what's going on with the tire.
As always, we'll see you in the next one. To get your Van Life Sheldon's Travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.